So you're gonna see me in this shirt in 3 videos, I think, 1, maybe more. So I'm filming today and I just figured why not get this all done and out the way. So I hope you guys don't mind that I'm wearing the same shirt and all of that. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a friend birthday mail that I got from my friend here on YouTube, Beth. And her channel is littlebetsy_79. If you are not familiar with her, definitely check her out. You will love her channel. She definitely has a great channel. She does a lot of different things on her channel. She does makeup looks. She does get ready with me's using new products. She does a lot of panning projects, a lot of panning projects. That's probably the biggest thing on her channel is panning. She's great at it as well. She uses a lot of her products, and she has a lot of different projects that she's currently doing and in, some with others, some she's done herself and made, started her own self. She also does, I believe now she's getting BoxyCharm again. She also does hauls and things like that. So definitely check out her channel. Of course, as always, I will link it down below. Anytime I talk about anybody, I will link it down below. So I just want to say thank you so much, Beth, for this friend mail. You didn't have to, but I'm so grateful for you that you thought to do this and send me this. I'm very appreciative. So I did cut the bag open, and we're just going to go ahead and pull out whatever is in here and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing, it looks like, nail buffers. So they're 4-way nail buffers. It says, kindness is so gangster. And it comes with a 2-pack. Oh, these are really, really cute. Look at, that is what they look like. And it has like that right there. You can see the different on there. That's really, really nice. I love these. I can just throw one in my purse. I don't think I have any that are 4-way like this. So this is really, really nice to have and, to keep in your purse. Okay, the next thing I see, it looks like it's, a 7-piece AOA Studio Wonder Blender Collection set. I love AOA Studio Shop Missy blenders. I have many of these in my collection. I absolutely love them. I feel you could never have enough. So the fact that she sent me these, I'm ecstatic about that because I feel like you never can. So it's saying this is the AOA OG. And then I'm assuming this, this will be the super soft. This is the silly drip right here. This one is the Moochie microfiber, and then these guys are the mini Moochies. So if you have not tried AOA Studio sponges, you are missing out. They're so affordable. They're so much better, in my opinion, than the beauty blenders, and the price that you pay. I think they're $1. They range from $1 to $1.55. They're great sponges. So yeah, excited to have those. All right. The next thing she sent me is the Kaola I Need It Essentials Eye Kit. Really pretty, and they have a little case to put them in there. These are really nice, especially like I said, for travel. We have traveling coming up, so these are going to be great for that. It comes with a 5-piece and a travel case. And then it says here, it comes with a cream shadow brush, small shadow brush, angled shadow brush, large shadow brush, and an angled liner brush. Yeah, very nice. Excited to have these. Definitely going to be using these for my upcoming vacation. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, the next thing is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Color Corrector for Dark Circles in Peach. I have never seen this. So I'm assuming you have to pull the lid off to get the product, but it really is a good peachy toned product. This is pretty neat. I have the Cushion Foundation, and I absolutely love it from Wet n Wild. I have never seen these, like even at the other regular drugstore. Maybe I just didn't pay attention. But wow, I'm super excited. I will be using this tomorrow when I do my makeup because I have not ever heard of this before. So that's super cool. definitely excited about that. So thank you for that. I struggle for sure with dark circles, and so I have a hard time, but definitely super excited. We'll be giving that a try tomorrow. And then let's see, I found the card. Oh, it has cute little stickers on it. Look. See, that kind of stuff just gets me because I just love things like that. May not for everybody else, but for me it does. Oh, it's a pretty card. It has butterflies. My daughter would love that. She loves her butterflies. Oh, thank you, Beth. I appreciate that. Super pretty. I'm just going to stick that right here on the little in front of the teddy bear. Very cute. I always keep my envelopes and everything to put it back in afterwards. Okay, let's see. I'm filling in here. All right. And I believe this is the last item. And I kind of had a feeling that she was going to send me this specific item because she did mention and ask me if I had it. So I kind of thought maybe she was going to, but I wasn't sure. But she did send me the BH Cosmetics Summer and St. Tropez 16 color eyeshadow palette. Super pretty. I'm trying to think. I have the Hawaii and London, I think. But it's really pretty. Look at how summery and how fun the packaging is. And I love BH Cosmetics. I think that they have great palettes. There is some fallout with their shadows, but overall it's very pretty. You got some bright colors, some yellow and this bright orange here. Then you have this kind of mustardy orange and some bright pink. So really pretty. I'm excited to give this a try. I will be trying it out very soon. Very pretty. Always excited for palettes, of course. Very nice. Really like that. I can't wait to play in this. But that is everything she sent me, and I'm so appreciative. It was more than enough. Thank you so much, Beth, for doing this. Again, you didn't have to, but I'm so thankful that you took time to do it. Really appreciate it. It means so much. More than anyone will ever know. I'm just so thankful, and I'm super excited. Cannot wait to use all of these products. Thank you for your kindness, and thank you so much for just thinking of me. I really am thankful and grateful for you and for your friendship, so thank you so much. So that is everything that she sent me in my recent birthday friend mail. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Beth's channel. It will be linked down below for you guys as well. If you are not familiar with her already, definitely check her out. I really think that you would enjoy her channel. And if you are into panning, you will love her channel because she does a lot of panning and she is great at it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.